Hi, this is Greg at Best Choice Trailers. Today we're going to take a walk around a QSA 7x16 Deluxe aluminum utility trailer. Everything you see here is standard equipment except for the second brake axle that we put on this trailer. Let's take a walk around. We'll show you all the standard features that are built into this trailer. So first you're going to start out with a 2 5/16 inch ball. It's got a standard 2,000 pound A-frame jack. Got a sealed wiring harness. Now it does have an integrated plug holder, which is nice. Notice it is a sealed whip, and then also it's a 7-pin standard plug. It's on most modern vehicles. It's a dual prong connection plug. The breakaway is in the A-frame. Now you notice this is a tube tongue and a tube frame. A lot of utility trailers generally are going to have a channel tongue and then an angle iron frame. This tube gives a lot more rigidity to the trailer. Main frame on this is made from a 5-inch tube. Tongue's made from a 4-inch triple tube tongue. Now when you do the triple tube tongue, that triple tube drawbar wraps back and gives a lot of support to the trailer. It wraps all the way back to a header that goes across the trailer. Now another difference on this trailer uses, especially up front from the header forward, uses a fair amount of channel cross members. Normally on a utility, you're going to get an angle iron cross member. Channel is going to be a little bit more structural. You also notice there's built-in tie downs into the trailer. You've got your 4 corners. You've also got one up front and center. This trailer's also got 2x decking. A lot in the industry are going to use a 5/4 lumber. This is a full 2x8. So if the side rails look a little bit taller than some, that's because this trailer does use drop axles. Drop axles are going to get about 4 more inches of sidewall height. So what it does, it lowers the trailer down about 4 inches. A couple net benefits here would be, one, lower center of gravity. For your ramp, it gives you a lower load angle, so your zero-turn mowers don't tend to catch with a lower deck height. And also, whenever you lower the deck down, you get a little bit taller sidewall. So your sidewall on these ends up being more like about 16 inches versus standard straight axle, you're going to net more like 12. So it has a teardrop radius diamond plate fender. You also notice it's got an integrated gusset. It's got brakes on both axles. It's also got the forward adjusting brakes. And it's got the easy loop hub. So if you want to service your own bearings, simply pull the black cap off the end. Take a grease gun, you can grease your own bearings. Tires on this are radials. It's a 205/75 R15 load range C 6-ply tire. The rear gate, it's a bifold. Now a few things are done a little bit differently on the Deluxe model. A lot of times you're going to get extruded cross members on a regular gate. These are all made out of tubes, so you got a fairly substantial gate here. So the bifold does make it nice, not near as much wind resistance. You've got your candy cane style latches. You'd simply pull up, swing to the side. Got your LED lights in the corner posts. Notice those corner posts are pretty structural. And I'll show you in a minute a couple other things we like about the gate. The gate can go out, and it'll also, since it's a double hinge, it'll actually fold inside, which is nice. Now one thing, if you look at most aluminum trailers, you're going to find that the hinges are normally to the side, and they're not near as impressive as that hinge. That's about a 10-inch wide hinge. A lot more surface area to your weld. You also notice the rear support, rear cross member on that's made out of tube. That's a, I believe that's a 5-inch tube. It's either 4 or 5-inch going across the back. A lot of times I see a 2x3 angle. Unit like this is going to weigh in at about 1,350 pounds empty. Going to have a lot more legal payload than the average utility user is going to need. Net, you're going to be into the 5s. I would say if a customer was going to try to load 5,000 pound on this, the weight would need spread throughout the entire trailer. Certainly not taking a 5,000 pound piece of equipment up the gate at one shot. This unit is available in different lengths. 16 foot shown here is our most common size. Also available in a 14. You can get an 18 as well. You can also get it with side ATV ramps if you'd like. It's also available with high sides. If you have any questions about this or any of our other trailers, feel free to give us a ring at 717 888-220-4220, or you can visit us on the web at bestchoicetrailers.com.